Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're diving deep into the world of DAX data analysis expressions with the 10 essential functions you absolutely need to know to level up your Power BI game. Whether you're just starting out and feeling a little lost, or you're a seasoned Power BI pro looking for a quick refresher, this video is for you. We're going to break down each function, show you real-world examples, and give you the confidence to tackle any data challenge that comes your way. No more feeling intimidated by complex formulas. We're going to demystify DAX and make it your new best friend. So grab your favorite beverage, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the true power of DAX together. First up, we've got Calculate, the undisputed king of DAX functions, and believe me, it's earned that title. This function lets you manipulate the filter context of your measures, essentially allowing you to perform calculations on a subset of your data. Let's say you want to calculate the total sales for a specific region, like the West Coast. With Calculate, you can easily filter your sales data to only include transactions from that region. It's like having a laser focus for your calculations, and it opens up a world of possibilities for analyzing your data in Power BI. Next, we have Sum, a function that needs no introduction. It's the workhorse of DAX, allowing you to add up all the numbers in a column. Simple, right? But don't let its simplicity fool you. Sum is incredibly powerful, especially when combined with other DAX functions. Think of Sum as the foundation for more complex calculations. Want to calculate total revenue? Sum up the sales amounts. Need to find the total units sold? Sum up the quantity column. It's the backbone of countless measures in Power BI, and you'll use it all the time. Now, let's talk about Average. This function does exactly what it says. It calculates the average of a set of numbers. Whether you're looking at average sales, average order value, or the average number of website visits, Average helps you understand the central tendency of your data. But here's where it gets interesting. You can use Average with Calculate to find the average sales for a specific product category or region. This combination of functions gives you deeper insights into your data, allowing you to identify trends and patterns you might otherwise miss. Filter is where DAX starts to get really fun. This function allows you to create a subset of your data based on specific criteria. It's like having a virtual filter for your data, allowing you to focus on the information that matters most. For example, let's say you want to analyze sales data for a specific product category like electronics. With Filter, you can create a new table that only includes transactions for electronic products. This makes it incredibly easy to perform calculations and create visualizations that are tailored to your specific needs. Sometimes you need to see the big picture. That's where All comes in. This powerful function removes all filters from a table or column, giving you a complete and unfiltered view of your data. Think of All as the opposite of Filter. While Filter narrows your focus, All expands it. This is incredibly useful when you want to compare filtered data to the overall data set, or when you need to perform calculations that require the full context of your data. Now let's talk about relationships. No, not the complicated kind, but the kind that makes Power BI so powerful. Data relationships. The Related function allows you to access data from related tables, seamlessly connecting different parts of your data model. For example, let's say you have a sales table and a product table. With Related, you can easily access product information like product name or category directly from your sales table. This eliminates the need for complex lookups and makes your DAX formulas much more efficient. Distinct is all about uniqueness. This function returns a list of unique values from a column, eliminating any duplicates. This is incredibly useful when you want to count the number of unique customers, products, or any other dimension in your data. For instance, if you want to know how many different product categories you have in your inventory, Distinct is your go-to function. It simplifies your data, making it easier to analyze and understand. Values is like the cool cousin of Distinct. It also returns a list of unique values, but with one key difference. It can also return a blank row if there are any blank values in the column. This might seem like a small detail, but it can be incredibly important when working with data that may have missing values. Values ensures that you're capturing the complete picture even when dealing with incomplete data. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a good if statement? This classic function brings the power of conditional logic to DAX, allowing you to create calculations that adapt based on specific conditions. Want to categorize sales as high, medium, or low based on revenue? If to the rescue, need to flag overdue invoices? If can handle that too. It's like having a mini decision-making engine right inside your DAX formulas. Finally, we have switch, the master of multiple choices. This function evaluates an expression against a list of values and returns a different result for each match. It's like having a supercharged if statement capable of handling complex scenarios with ease. For example, let's say you want to assign different shipping costs based on region. Switch makes this a breeze, allowing you to define different shipping rates for each region in a single elegant formula. And there you have it, the 10 essential DAX functions every Power BI user should know. From simple calculations to complex data manipulations, these functions are the building blocks of powerful measures and insightful reports. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these functions, the more comfortable you'll become with the language of DAX. So don't be afraid to experiment, explore, and push the boundaries of what's possible with Power BI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more Power BI tips and tricks and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching.